The Tank S1 smartwatch is Kospet's first sporty smartwatch designed specifically for female users. Let's unbox it and check out what we got here. There's a smartwatch, 2 watch bands, a magnetic charging cable, a warranty card, and a user manual inside. Pretty standard packaging. Kospet's products are very diverse and unique in design. Since its inception, they have launched a series of very innovative smartwatches and continue to lead the rugged smartwatch market. The dial is made of some sort of aviation-grade alloy and a 360L stainless steel, which makes the Tank S1 thinner and lighter, as well as more comfortable to wear. The dial is a 45mm round design, but it only weighs 48 grams. Though the shell is made of premium metals, you will not feel tired at all while wearing. The Tank S1 has a total of 3 buttons. The sport key is in the lower left corner, while the power key and the back key are respectively on the right side. A 1.3-inch AMOLED display under the outer ring, which allows users to see more clearly while experiencing the silky touch control. With the new UI design and many unique dial styles for options, you can customize the watch style as you want. Tank S1 is equipped with a length adjustable strap, perfect for a variety of wrist sizes. The rubber material also ensures that strap is skin-friendly, which will not smell bad or cause wrist discomfort due to sweat from daily exercises. Some people may overlook this, but to a great extent, it does ensure the comfort of wearing. As claimed, the rugged Tank S1 has passed the 12th highest level of military crash tests in the United States, and it can adapt to a variety of harsh environments such as cold snow mountains, hot deserts, and vast oceans, which sounds pretty like some rugged phones that we reviewed before. The display is also tough enough and is protected by a piece of Corning Gorilla Glass 3, which has been proven to be more durable under reinforcement and 4 times more scratch resistance than the normal glass. With 580M and IP68 water and dust resistant ratings, the Kospet Tank S1 can withstand pressure equivalent to a depth of 50 meters underwater. So there shouldn't be any worry while doing underwater sports. Long press the power key to boot up. What you see is a simple dial design. If you don't like this dial style, there are many other watch faces you can choose. I like this black dial most as it looks simple and advanced. Tap the language and theme setting. There are a total of 15 languages and 3 different themes that you can choose. After the sports recognition is turned on, this watch will automatically identify and remind 5 sports, including walking, outdoor running, cycling, and so on. During workout, there are 17 workout modes for you to choose from, including the most popular exercises such as yoga, HIIT, aerobic exercise, etc. In exercise mode, Tank S1 can clearly and intuitively record important data such as heart rate, time, and calories burned. If you want to enjoy doing exercises with the music, you can control the music player on Tank S1. And the watch has a standby mode for power saving, but when the raise to wake is activated, whenever you raise your wrist, the screen will light up without pressing any buttons. Also, as a smartwatch, the basic functions of receiving phone calls and message notifications are certainly not missing. Swipe up on the watch to get to the message interface so you will not miss important messages during work and exercise. Equipped with an advanced VP60 sensor, Tank S1 can monitor heart rate and blood oxygen 24/7, and it will provide real-time alert when heart rate deviates from the normal range. And it provides accurate data and life advice, and it can always monitor the health state of the user. At night, Tank S1 also tracks nighttime sleep through various stages of sleep, giving a comprehensive picture of the sleep quality. The Tank S1's design for women is not just for show. The watch would record a female's period every month and show it in the Kospet Fit app, and scientifically reflect whether it's a menstruation, ovulation, or safe period to make them more aware of their physical condition. As a male, I have no way to test how it works, but if you connect this watch to your phone when the time counts every month, you will know that you need to behave. Would you agree? The faster charge of Tank S1 allows it to be fully charged in 2 hours, and the 300 mAh battery gives it a pretty long battery life. It claims that 2 to 3 days to use in AOD mode, 8 to 12 days for daily use, and even an astonishing 50 days in the standby mode. We know quite a lot of the users highly value this, which will also make it stand out from its kind in the same price range. Kospet Tank S1 has 4 color schemes: Sprout Green, Moonlight White, Sakura Pink, and Space Black in our hand, suitable for women of all styles. This watch is currently sold at $97.99 in a promotion, pretty good deal. You can check out the links down below to learn more. We hope that more companies would make smart wearable devices for such a niche group after the brave attempt by Kospet. At least for me, I'm pretty happy to review the special rugged watch. Hope you enjoyed it too. Thank you for watching. I'm Will from Gizmochina. We'll see you next time.